This is a story of the river Kali, its journey along the trails of the Western Ghats. Kali is the lifeline and a fluid emblem of Uttar Kannada, supporting astonishingly varied, fragile ecosystem. The Kali River has its origin near the village of Tikki in the Western Ghats. It is joined by many rivers along its journey and meets the Arabian Sea near the town of Karwar. The pure Kali takes birth in the depths of Diggi, a small village in Joida Taluk. This small patch of land still remains undisturbed, though some of it has been brought under the plough. The local villagers find it little difficult to reach the village as the road is sunken by the backwaters of Supa Dam. As the place is near to the Anshi Dandeli Tiger Reserve, some parts of the forest falls under the buffer zone. As the river continues to move amidst the lush green forest and majestic mountains, passing the wilderness of the unseen world. This rich habitat harbors one of the most beautiful but endangered great Indian hornbills. Three other species of hornbills like Malabar pied hornbill, Indian grey hornbill and Malabar grey hornbill are also found here. They are highly dependent on fig trees as their main food source. These magnificent birds are ecologically important as they play a major role in seed dispersal of many fruiting trees. As every treasure faces a threat, the river is no exception. There are 6 dams constructed along the course of the river. Among those, Supa Reservoir remains the major one. The pristine habitat, which shelters many endemic and endangered species, is submerged due to the backwaters of the dam. Tourists are welcomed by the odor of paper mills to the city of Dandeli. People here are dependent on the river for water source. A significant industry which shapes the economy of the city is the West Coast Paper Mill, providing employment for thousands. This industry is mainly dependent on the river, using gallons of pure water every day and releasing large amount of effluents back to the river. This causes the imbalance in aquatic ecosystem. The release of generated toxic byproducts in the form of gases adds on to the air pollution. After gushing through the bends and cracks of the dams, leaving its evidence behind, it blends with the mighty Arabian Sea near Karwar. Karwar lies on the west coast of southern India. Its geography creates a natural harbour with protection against monsoon weather. The warmth of the golden sand and the salute of violence composes a serene atmosphere. Several small mangrove-covered islands lie off the Kali River estuary, protected in the name of deities. The river supports the livelihood of thousands of fishermen in the coast of Karwar. But it cannot escape from its fate, as it is overexploited for its natural resources. In the name of sustainable fishing, they catch everything. Illegal sand mining is also a threat faced by the estuary. The story of Kali ends, thus planting an intense thought within us, leaving behind a question that asks the reason for its struggle. It's not too late to understand that protecting this treasure is not an option but a need, and the hope remains.